Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Metal Sonic in the Friday Night Funkin' version. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. We'll start by drawing the top of the head with a curve down and back in like this. Next, near the bottom on the left, let's draw another curve in. And then bring it up to the right and flick it out at the end. Next, let's draw the eyes. Inside on the left, let's draw a U-shaped curve here. And then another one inside. Now let's do the same thing on the right side for the other eye. Next, from the bottom left line, let's draw an angle up. Then let's curve it down to the right and back up. And now from the end, let's curve it down. Next, let's close off the right side of the eyes with a curve down like this. Next, let's finish drawing the bottom of the face. Hop back to the left side and we're going to draw an angled line down. And then from the bottom, we're going to curve it all the way over to the right like this. And now let's close off the right side of the head with a curve from the top all the way to the bottom. Next, let's add the nose. Underneath the eyes here, let's draw a curve. And then a pointed shape down to the left like this. Now on the bottom right side of the mouth, let's draw an oval here. And then a line inside. Okay, next let's move up and draw the ears. Inside the head on the top here, let's draw a curve and then another curve down. And then the pointed shape of the ear above it. Now let's move inside and draw a pointed shape up. And then two lines next to it on the right. Now let's draw the left ear. On the top left of the head, let's draw a pointed curve up like this. And then again the inside of the ear. And that's it for the head. Let's add the body now. Let's start under the head and we're going to draw a circular curve down and back up, stopping here. Then from the end, let's bring it up to the right and then angled line back into the head. Next, inside the body on the left, let's draw a large oval. And then another black circle inside. And then add diagonal spokes all the way around. Next, on the very right side, let's draw two lines here like this. Next, let's draw the arms starting with the right side. From under the head, let's draw an angled line down and then over to the side for the shoulder. Then underneath, a V shape like this. And then 2 angled lines down for the arm. Next, let's erase that body line inside the arm. Now let's add the forearm. At the end, let's draw a curve like this, and then a line at the top. And then angled lines down on both sides. And then add an oval inside near the top here. Now let's add the hand. Let's start by adding a curved square shape at the bottom. And then let's add a black border on the sides and at the top. And then one more curved line inside. Now let's add the fingers, starting with the thumb on the left side like this. And then 4 angled fingers down. And that's it for the right arm and hand. Let's move over and draw the left one. Let's start by drawing a small curve underneath the face for the left shoulder. Then 2 lines down from the body. Then add the forearm piece like this. Now from the bottom line, let's extend it out and then angle it up. Now from the bottom line, let's draw a curve up, and then the thumb like this. Then from the side of the thumb, let's curve it over, up, and then angle it back down for the first finger. Now along that bottom line, let's add 3 more fingers like this. And then let's erase any of the overlapping lines inside these fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Let's move down and draw the legs next. Underneath the left side of the body, let's draw 2 angled lines down. Then at the bottom, a curve up and over like this. Then 2 angled lines down, and then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Now underneath on the left side, let's draw a line down. Then from the top, let's curve it over for the top of the foot, and then back in at the bottom. Now let's move inside and we're going to draw one more line across the bottom like this. Now to the right, let's add a large oval here. And then the heel of the foot with a curve down, a small line under the oval, and then close it off. And again, let's add that border at the bottom. Lastly, let's move over and draw the right leg. Underneath the right side of the body, let's draw 2 angled lines down towards the hand. Then a line across the bottom, and 2 angled lines down like this. Now let's draw the foot with a curve at the bottom here like this. And then close off the bottom with another curve. And again, let's add the border inside at the bottom. And that's it for Metal Sonic. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!